Hello everyone, welcome to Gatezone. Myself Kapriya and this is Sherina. Sherina today வந்துட்டு Tnpsc ல வந்துட்டு previous year question paper EM subject ல 8 question பத்தி சொல்ல போறாங்க. First question, product of mass and acceleration of the fluid is.
So the product of mass and acceleration of fluid is inertia force.
So product of mass and acceleration of the fluid is under inertia force. Next question, if the sum of the all forces acting on the body is equal to the zero, the body is.
If sum of all forces acting on a body is equal to 0, then the body is in equilibrium and a condition is given such that all the forces are concurrent. We know concurrent forces. Concurrent forces are forces acting along the same point.
So if the sum of the all forces acting on the body is equal to the zero, the body is equilibrium. The next question, a couple produces
rotational motion.
Okay, next question. Static friction is always dash dynamic friction.
Static friction is always greater than dynamic friction.
So static friction is always greater than the dynamic friction. Next question. Coefficient of rolling resistance is.
The coefficient of rolling resistance, it is the ratio of the rolling resistance to the normal load.
So the coefficient of rolling resistance is rolling resistance by normal load. Then next question. Ion plus 10 Newton plus 20 Newton are acting at a point such that they are perpendicular to each other. What is the resultant?
So two forces are given. F1 is 10 Newton and F2 we take it as 20 Newton. They are acting in the same point, that is it is collinear and such that they are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular, so we know theta is equal to 90 degree. And what is their resultant? So formula for resultant forces R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So we take P as F1 and Q as F2. So we can write it as square root of 10 square plus 20 square plus 10 into 20 into cos 90 degree. Because it is perpendicular. So we get the answer as 22.36 Newton.
Okay, next question. Length of the rod is 10 meter. Weight is 100 kg. One of its end is fixed. What is the moment about the fixed end of the rod?
So we have seen that the length of a rod is 10 meter and the weight is 100 kg. So we will give a diagrammatic representation and another condition is one of its end is fixed. So the end of the rod is fixed here to the wall. And we have a rod whose length is 10 meter and the weight is 100 kg. So the question is, what is the moment about the fixed end of the rod? So moment about this axis is asked. So the formula for moment is equal to mass into acceleration of, due to gravity into length. So when we substitute, mass is 100 into 9.8 acceleration due to gravity into length. So we take it length by 2, that is 10 by 2. This is because it is asked about the fixed end of the rod. So the answer will be 4905 Newton meter.
Okay, next question. Two non-collinear equal parallel forces acting in the opposite direction.
Two non-collinear equal parallel forces acting in opposite direction constitute a couple.
Okay, today video la EM subject la 8 questions namukku explain pannaanga Sherina. Idu alaga explain panna Sherina. Thanks.
Thank you.